Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to create the Terminator face effect on PicsArt. First, select a portrait of your preference. Now go to Tools and select Adjust. Here, adjust the brightness, clarity and shadows to make your image pop. Now go to Add Photo and select the previously downloaded image of the Terminator, aka Arnold Schwarzenegger. Now adjust the size of the image and decrease the opacity for placement convenience. And with eraser, remove the excess. After placement, erase the face as well. Now with the brush tool, draw out the robotic side of the face. And with the eraser, carve out the edges. Click Done and increase the opacity. To customize the look to your face structure, break down this process. First, carve out the side of the face, then add in the same image again, and repeat the process for the jaw. For the final touches, go to Lens Flare and select the one as shown. Place it onto the image and click Done. Similarly, go to Effects and select HDR. Fade the effect slightly and click Done. The Terminator face effect is now ready. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.